Something wild is happening on YouTube right now. And no, it's not Mr. Beast giving away another island. We're talking about a brand new content trend that just exploded out of nowhere. Where creators are gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers, hitting millions of views, and cashing in big time. And here's the kicker. These channels are barely posting anything. I'm talking about one channel that hit over 100,000 subscribers with just 33 videos. Another, boom, 110,000 subs from 70 uploads. And a third went absolutely nuclear, reaching 1.5 million subscribers and pulling in over 200 million views. I mean, come on, that's not growth. That's a digital supernova. Here's the part that'll really melt your brain. They're not filming anything. No cameras, no voiceovers, no showing your face. These viral videos are made entirely with AI. Seriously, this is what I call lazy genius mode. So if you ever dreamed of going viral on YouTube, but felt held back by, well, effort, then buckle up. This is your moment. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to ride this wave. No gatekeeping, no vague tips. We're talking the real deal. From channel setup to generating viral scripts, creating banger videos that can pop off while you sleep. Step 1C, channel setup. Build it like a boss. Okay, first things first. We need a channel, but don't just name it something boring like AI Shorts 100. One done. You're entering a gold rush here. You need a name that pops. Fire up ChatGPT and ask it to whip up a list of channel name ideas tailored to your niche. Add a prompt like free 810 unique, engaging YouTube channel names for a channel that posts emotional, viral AI generated shorts. Done. You now have names that sound more like viral brands than school assignments. Pick your favorite, then feed that name into ChatGPT again, this time asking for a killer channel description. Not something that sounds like it was written by a robot who just learned English. We want it human. Emotional. Optimized. Professional. Boom. You now have your brand. All that's left is to plug that into YouTube, upload a profile picture, and bam, you're a digital creator. But wait, step 2 is logo, like a pro. Without paying a designer, instead of begging your artsy cousin to make your logo or messing around in Canva for 5 hours. We're going to let AI do the heavy lifting. Back to ChatGPT, ask it to create an image prompt for a logo based on your channel's name and description. Keep it simple, bold, and eye-catching. Think something that would stand out in a sea of scrolling. Take that prompt over to Leonardo AI, a super sleek tool for image generation. Phoenix, model, and set the size to 1:1 perfect logo ratioed. Paste in your prompt, hit generate, and let Leonardo cook. A few seconds later, you've got a logo that looks like it cost $500 to make. Choose your favorite, download it, and upload it to your channel. That's your new brand identity. Pro level, faceless, zero effort. You're welcome. Step 3. This. Write a script that grabs eyeballs, as even if you suck at writing. Now here's where the magic begins, writing your viral script. And no, we're not writing from scratch. We're going full ninja mode. Find a popular video in your niche, the kind that's getting millions of views and making your jaw drop. Copy the URL. Now head over to a tool called Tactic, paste the link in, and boom, you get the full script transcript in seconds. Take that script into ChatGPT, clean it up, remove timestamps, and fill it. And ask it to create a brand new to bring it on. Original version that captures the same emotional vibe, but with fresh language and twists. You're now holding the blueprint for a viral short that feels like the original, but isn't a carbon copy. It's the same secret sauce, but you added your own flavor. Step 40, create a full video without ever touching a camera. This is where most people give up, but you're about to automate your content like a pro. We're using a tool called VidAI. your new best friend. Head into the Faceless Shorts section and paste in your script. The tool automatically estimates the video length and divides the script into perfect segments. Now choose your voiceover style. Whether you like that inspirational male voice or a calming female narrator, it's all there. Pick the one that fits your vibe. Next, choose your visual model. Cinematic usually works best for emotional storytelling. You can choose backgrounds, gameplay, or even upload custom clips, but for now, stick with the auto-generated visuals. Click Generate. And within a minute, you've got a full AI video voiceover included. Yes, you made a viral-worthy short while eating cereal in your pajamas. Step Findsy, video for maximum impact. Okay, your video is technically done, but we're not amateurs. We're gonna make it pop. VidAI lets you edit everything. The visuals, the transitions, the captions. Want to change a background image that looks weird? One click. Replaced. Want to customize the font, text color, or even add zoom and shake effects? All available with sliders and drop-downs. Want captions that look like something straight out of a Mr. Beast short? Boom. Options. Multi-word. Single word. Font styles. Colors, stroke outlines. Want the text to bounce or zoom in dramatically? That's just a click away. Oh, and don't forget the music. This is critical. Good music can take your video from me to million views. VidAI offers a library of trending, royalty-free beats that slap harder than your mom's chancla. Find one that fits the tone. Dramatic, chill, suspenseful, and lower the volume just enough to not overpower the voiceover. Step 6: upload like a growth hacker. Okay, your video is ready. Let's not ruin it with a boring upload process. Head over to YouTube, start the upload, and while it's processing, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 5 catchy, viral titles for the script you used. Pick the best one. It should be curiosity-driven, emotional, or shocking. For hashtags, find a successful channel in your niche. Go to one of their viral videos and borrow their tags. Paste those into your title or description. They're already tested, and YouTube's algorithm eats them up. Mark your video as not made for kids. Hit public, and congratulations. You've just uploaded your first AI-powered banger. Bonus hack: scale to the moon without burning out. Now, if you really want to scale fast, VidAI has one more power up. Prompt-based generation. You don't even need a script. Just feed it a viral video prompt like, "A boy escapes from a secret government lab and reveals the truth." Or, "She discovered her brother's darkest secret in an old diary." Use ChatGPT to whip up 10 of these prompts. Feed them into VidAI, pick a narrator, and boom, 10 videos in a day. You're now a full-on production studio run by, well, and a few clever bots. Why this works and why you should start now. Let's be real. You're not early to YouTube, but you are early to this AI-powered, faceless storytelling niche. These videos are short, emotional, and algorithm candy. And if you're consistent, you can realistically grow a monetized channel in weeks, not years. Oh, and speaking of monetization, yes, shorts are monetized now. And yes, people are making thousands with just 50-second videos. If your video hits 1 million views and many arid, you could be looking at hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars in return from one video. And it gets better. Once you've got a few videos going viral, brands start reaching out, affiliate offers roll in, and next thing you know, you're making money while you sleep. So the choice is yours. You can ignore this, keep scrolling, and hope your dream channel happens someday. Or you can take this strategy, follow it step by step, and build something real. Laid it all out. All the tools are free or cheap. No excuses. If you want help scaling this even faster, mentorship programs and communities are out there, else some free, some paid. But either way, the info you need is right here. Get out there and create your first Faceless, viral AI-powered short. You're one video away from changing your life. Let's go.